Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and then build up the correct pronunciation of the word clothes. So here's the phonemic script, and my top tip for this word is to notice that this is actually one syllable. It's not divided into two syllables. So when a native speaker of British English says this word, we say clothes. It's one chunk. It's not clothes, ever. You will hear that from lots of people who've learned English as a second language, but the correct pronunciation is clothes. So today we're going to work out how you can pronounce it that way. So at the beginning, we've got a consonant cluster, the k and the l together, cl, cl. Then we've got that nice double vowel, o, o, and another cluster at the end. We've got one of the th, the voiced th, and then a z, so lots of voicing here, vz, vz. So you need to stick your tongue out a little bit, and you need vibration in your throat, vz. So if we put all three chunks back together, the cl, o, vz becomes clothes. So repeat after me nice and loudly, clothes, clothes. Great work. So top tip, remember it's all one sound. Don't divide it into two syllables. It's not clothes, clothes. So if you found that useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share. I hope it was useful, and take that away, your message of the day, clothes, not clothes, clothes. Great work. Thanks for watching and have a great day.